In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to Whop. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Whop account. If you're not already on the homepage, make sure to navigate there. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Profile. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in your profile settings, the next step is to look for the section called Connected Accounts. Click on that, and you'll be presented with a list of different platforms that you have the option to connect. Find Instagram in the list, there might be a plus sign next to it, and go ahead and click on it. This action sets the process in motion to connect your Instagram account. Now at this point, Whop will prompt you to obtain the URL from your Instagram profile. To do this, head over to Instagram. If you're not logged in, make sure you log into your account. Once you are there, navigate to your profile page. At the top, you'll see your profile link or URL. Simply copy this URL, which is unique to your account, and head back over to Whop. Once back in Whop, paste the URL into the designated area. This allows Whop to locate your account and begin the verification process. Now here's an important step. Whop will provide you with a verification code. Take note of this code because you're going to need it for the upcoming steps. Return to Instagram once again and head back to your profile. Here, you'll want to either click on your profile picture or find the Edit Profile button, which will take you to your profile settings. In your bio section, paste the verification code you got from Whop. This step is essential because it lets Whop confirm that the Instagram account you're connecting is indeed yours. Once you've input the code into your Instagram bio, navigate back to Whop and click Verify. This initiates the verification process and confirms the connection between your Instagram account and Whop. After successfully verifying, you can return to your Instagram profile and remove the verification code from your bio. Remember, it was only necessary for the connection process. And there you have it. That's how you connect your Instagram account to Whop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, click the like button, and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can stay updated with my latest uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.